Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Betterment using bank verification steps, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Betterment, start by logging into your Betterment account. Once logged in, navigate to the account section on the main dashboard. Look for the withdraw option and click on it. You will be prompted to select the account from which you want to withdraw funds. After selecting the account, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Next, you will need to link to your bank account if you haven't done this previously. To link your bank account, click on the link provided for bank account verification. You may need to enter your bank's routing number and your account number. Betterment may require you to verify your identity during this process. Follow the prompts to complete the verification, which may involve answering security questions. Once your bank account is linked, return to the withdrawal screen. Re-enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the bank account is correct. Review the withdrawal summary to ensure all details are accurate before submitting. When ready, click the Confirm Withdrawal button to process your request. You will receive a confirmation email once your withdrawal has been initiated. Funds will typically take a few business days to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal status. If you encounter any issues, utilize Betterment's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.